So, I'm gonna look a real job, you know, yeah, man. Because I don't like that job. I need a job when me have to get up and go morning time. So, no, someone they can't ban me. Yeah, I am resigning. There will be no more Prettidon vlog. Me I delete my YouTube. Me I delete my Facebook. Me I delete my 2 Instagram them. Me dad make one page ling it reach all of 4,000 views and that me I got delete. Me no know. I'm done. I'm literally done right now. Like I don't want to do this no more. Like I feel like I don't want to do this no more. You feel me? I said like it's like if I know something, you feel me? And then the same niggas who hate you and I be like, yo, yeah. They're the same ones reporting your page. Me not have time for that, dog. I need to go get me a regular ass job. You feel me? Dude? Yeah, I need to go be a security or something or something of significance about the place, you know what I mean? Don't know. But me not think about it here, because sometimes this shit get too overwhelming for a nigga. And God. Yeah, man. It's like, me make a good living out of vlogging, you know, but dog, sometimes you get on top of your fucking nerves, nigga. You feel me, dude? Where you can't deal with it, and then you are your own boss, and then you work for yourself. It's like, you just gotta deal with this shit. You feel me, dude? Fuck that. More the boss are gonna write me a check right now. Just because I go in and warehouse and go make sure I say fix up a pallet them and them look wear there. Yeah. I rather do that. I can't do this no more. That's why I see me a vlog so much from what day and bad man, because I been gonna try hang up my belt, bad man. Me hang up my belt while it lasted. Me hang up my belt. This is how me hang up my belt. Me hang up my belt with me on top. You see what I say? Me hang up my belt with me, you know, and say, yo, I left this scene as a top vlog. You know? When me delete my page them, me supposed to know some left social media as a top man. You feel me I did? When you see me out in the street, when I still I gonna know and say, you see me? You see it? Yeah man, time for me hang up my belt, you know, man. Come on, nigga. You see me? I say, yeah, man. Time for me hang up my belt and try a new venture or something. You see me? And I like say, I don't know what people are going to miss me. You know how much of them hate me, boy? See, enough. Me I make with the morning right now for telling them, say, yo, this probably my last vlog. Yeah, that's what I say. But that shit do be funny. That shit do be funny as fuck. Yo, watch my one vlog them and laugh, cause that shit is funny. You see what I'm saying? Me have to go vlog for myself. Yeah. Nipple then stiff. Which nipple you say stiff? Hey, look here. Who said nipple stiff a while ago? Stop that. Stop that. Stop talking about nipple and them things and bad man have nipple. You understand? Yo, no two ups. Which part you see nipple? That is not no nipple. Who the fuck said something about nipple a while ago? That's why me I hang up my belt. People like you. We always I see nipple and no nipple not there. What you want to do? Suckle me? You want to suckle? That is what you want? You want a battle? That's what you... Yo, me don't want to run no joke with you, no fuck with you. Me I left. Me not care. Don't run no joke with me. All on the day you want me to run joke with you, I'm not running any joke. Me done with you. Yo, me don't want to come here and be serious with you, dog. When you not going to make me be serious in peace, dog. When you make me serious for once. Me not going to talk again if you not going to make me serious. Okay? And stop looking at my boobs. Okay? Bad man have boobs. You hear that? You mean I hang up my belt, well. I have breasts? Don't! Hey! body. Over chest stiff. Listen. Hey, me don't run the joke. Me don't want me tell you me don't want and laughing and you don't want to keep me here and that I don't want. Make me cuss and go out with me. Oh no, Jesus Christ. Oh no, not see what me I go through. Oh not talk about breast stiff and stuff. And not even them man, them ladies. Even the self, because this is not what we're talking about in the early morning. We're talking about me retiring. I don't have any boobs. You know what? Like this is gonna be my last vlog. Remember this? We are gonna go for some oldies. Who remember that? Yeah, man. Yeah, well, remember that chair, yeah. Enough life this taking up, man. When we sit down upon that chair, yeah, enough artists and forget big up, you know. Enough life that chair, yeah, safe, you know. See that chair, yeah? Enough how you so I say, what the chair there? See this? From, if you know me, and you know me, and know me well. What is this right here? Huh? Tie. Alright, DJ from. Alright, from. Them man they know what I want. If you know me, what is this? See that? What is this? Got to, hey, listen to me now, no, man. I'm not bother with that underneath the live. I'm stop straight from the topic. No curves, no waist. The chair still holding on. This a chair, yeah. Famous mother. This a chair, yeah. This a chair, yeah, named Sidekick. You see me? You see that chair, yeah? The amount of things with that chair you got through. It has been kicked, it has been stabbed, it has been buffeted. This chair has been buffeted, so. And that chair, the same chair. See this chair? I sit down on it and take Kirby life. You remember that? I beat Dovey on this chair, praise the Lord. Eh? I beat Hearty on this chair, Father God, please. Who? Shabo, you understand me? Nick, the whole of them. PC, Rebel, whole of them. This was the chair. Foundation. You understand me? I say, every pussy will violate. I'll stink pussy Queenie get beaten upon this. Naughty, underneath green, mildew drawers, stinking mesh drawers, Queenie get beat upon this. To the amount of girl pitney and boy pitney when me popping at their face upon this. Shit up and piss up on them. On this said chair. Wipe myself in a them face. Upon that chair, yeah. Enough boy, enough girl. Yeah, man. Chair, yeah, foundation. Chair, yeah, go places. That chair, you probably reach right to go already. That chair, you're supposed to win about 9 Grammy already. This chair. Hope you don't miss the chair.